All right, everyone. So hopefully you are good, doing well. So I'm looking at the AUDJPY. So this is going to be the AUDJPY update. All right. So let's quickly look at the previous, video analysis, and then we're gonna look at the couple of charts, and then we're gonna look at the updated AUDJPY chart. All right. So there you got. I'm gonna fast forward that. All right, so welcome back. Hope you're doing well. So this time I'm looking at the AUDJPY. This is going to be the AUDJPY update. So let's look at the previous setup, and then we're gonna talk about what's next on the AUDJPY. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Hope you're doing well. So this is update on the AUDJPY. We had correction on the AUDJPY, and correction became bigger, and the trend is still bearish. Okay, that's the previous trend where I'm drawing right now. Okay, and this is the bigger daily correction. We can say that, which is trying to break out right now. Okay, there we can see it is trying to break down and trying to continue its bearish trend for more downside. So what you are looking, simply you are looking this breakout to continue to keep dragging more lower. Okay, if in, you are already in from these tops when the breakout was appearing, great. If not, then look for this to correct on lower time frame and this to continue its bearish wave all the way back to that low. All right, so if it is not correcting, okay, then let this to slightly push more higher. All right, test that top or new high, then again break down for downside back to that low. All right, so this chart is not complicated. It's in a daily correction, which is setting up for a breakout. Okay, and right now it's trying to break down. Okay, you are looking at that breakout to just continue to keep dragging more low. Okay, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another step. Until then, bye bye. Alright, so that was the AUDJPY previous video analysis. We were expecting this breakout to continue, alright, and since we had that breakout, it's dragging more lower. Again, what's the trend? Trend is, bearish, alright, and we had that daily correction or 8-hour time frame correction, which is just breaking right now. So what's next? Again, it's simple. We are having strength on the end across the market right now, and the previous corrections are breaking everywhere, okay, and you are simply looking at another correction on the AUDJPY and AUDJPY to keep dragging lower all the way back to that low, okay. So if I'm going to look at the lower time frame, let's say on a 1-hour time frame chart, alright, there we can see that the price is just simply pushing more lower, okay, after having those corrections, okay, corrections, and then and another ABC move, we can say that, all right, and after that it is forming another impulsive wave. All right, so you're having these two impulses. So what's next? Just simply, if you are in, you are looking this to just keep dragging more lower. Okay, if you are not into the trade from that top, first of all, you shouldn't chase the price at this area for more downside. Okay, because when price gonna correct, either you're gonna get stopped out or you're gonna get trapped over there. Okay, so if you missed, then let the price correct, okay, and then watch it to continue to keep dragging more lower. All right, let this to correct, and then try to get in and look for this to continue to keep dragging more lower, or you shouldn't chase the price at this current price. Okay, how this chart gonna change this bearish daily, setup? Again, if price break above that, top aggressively, sharply, okay, then it will change. So I don't see any change right now on this chart at the moment. Okay, so it's breaking the correction and going down. So you are looking this to just continue to keep dragging more lower or downside. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye. All right, so that was the two previous video analysis on the AUDJPY, and since we had breakout from there, and prices just simply nicely keep correcting over there and just keep breaking over there all the way back to that low. All right, now let's look at the previous charts. Okay, last time the correction which I was talking about, all right, so we have seen that expanding triangle formation, all right, and then that expanding triangle formation completed, and since then prices just keep dragging lower. All right, so again, this update on this AUDJPY pair is about that the AUDJPY is about to complete its bearish wave all the way back to that bottom. All right, and if you are riding that wave all the way from that top and looking this to continue to keep dragging lower all the way back to that bottom, yeah, so it's time to get out from the market on time once price gonna tag that low after watching price action over there. All right, so again, like other pairs, it has the potential to go all the way back to this low. All right, other yen pairs, so it has the potential, but right now we are not looking that move. Okay, so again, similar analysis like the other yen pairs. First of all, you are looking price to just keep dragging lower and break through that bottom aggressively. If it breaks, then yeah, so then stay in. All right, and let the price again correct. Okay, keep dragging lower, correct for another time like this, and keep the trend intact to the downside. So we don't have these two scenarios right now. All right, we don't have these two scenarios. So the update for the time being is that price to just keep dragging lower all the way back to that low. Okay, if another correction comes like the previous ones, Okay, if another one comes, then that correction to breakdown and price to complete the bearish wave over there. All right, and price to complete the bearish wave all the way back to that low. Okay, so so this is not, I wouldn't suggest you to chase that trade, okay, because price is about to complete its wave over there, bearish wave over there, back to that bottom. So if you miss the trade from wave from that top, all right, from this top or these areas or this area, okay, then you shouldn't chase it at the bottom. All right, then let it complete. So find the setups on other pairs. Okay, there are a lot of other assets, so find the setups on other pairs. And if you are already in, yeah, you are preparing for this. First of all, you are preparing for this to break down sharply that bottom, continue to keep dragging lower. If that's not happening, all right, not breaking, and price is going to bounce off from that floor, okay, then go back up like other yen pair. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.